Hi everybody, in this video I'll walk you through the steps on how to connect TV 4K to Sony Google TV. To connect an Apple TV 4K to Sony Google TV, you'll need a HDMI cable, high-speed recommendation, and connect the Apple TV to HDMI port. First of all, you want to power up the Apple TV 4K. Connect one end of a high-speed HDMI cable to an Apple TV, other end to available HDMI port on your Sony TV. Then plug the Apple TV into the power outlet, then turn on your Sony Google TV. And as you've done it so, the TV should automatically switch to HDMI input where Apple TV is connected. If it does not, use the TV remote to access the input selection menu and choose the HDMI port where the Apple TV is plugged in. If the Sony TV supported 2022 model or later, you could also install and open the Apple TV app on your TV to access content as well. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.